Well, hello. This is yours truly, Corey P. Dunlap, a world-class motivational speaker. That's right, live and on location here, giving you another 5-minute motivational message. Well, you know what? We've been dealing with the 17 points of achievement, according to Mr. Napoleon Hill. You know, he said there are 17 principles that you got to live by if you're going to be successful in this thing called life. We've gone through 1 through 3. This is number 4, and we're going to get started. We're going to dive on into it. That's right. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, let's go. So number 4 is this right here, going the extra mile. Have you ever heard that before? Going the extra mile. So if you've gone a mile, why don't you go another mile? So as you go, that's right, the first 2 letters of going is G-O, and I-N-G mean it's a journey, meaning it's continually moving. So as you keep going and going and going, guess what? The extra mile, you know what happens? You get extra. You can't get extra unless you go that extra mile. Because if you just go a mile, that's all you got. But what happens if you go the extra mile? You know what? You get extra. So here we're talking about performing a better service above your agreed payment amount. So if you go to the store and you get some service and you have a product on your shelf and we'll say it's $10. And you know what? And the customer pays you $10. And guess what? They go the extra mile. And because you've gone the extra mile, you took the customer by the hand. You say, you know what? Let me show you what our product line is. Let me show you the best selection. Let me show you what looks right for you. You're going above and beyond, as opposed to the converse. You let the person come into your store, browse around, look around. And you know what happened? You don't say a word. You know what happened? They turned around and walked right out the door. What happened? You didn't even go the mile, yet alone the extra mile. But when you go above and beyond service, you know, guess what? Like I heard a long time ago, it says, customer service only happens when you care enough to do your very best. So going the extra mile means you're going to go above and beyond what's required. You're in school today, you want to get a great grade, we'll say an 8 as opposed to a B. You've got to go the extra mile in studying. You know what happens when you go the extra mile, you put in a little bit more effort, you won't be disappointed what you'll get, and that will be a great grade, that being an A, that being the equivalent of success. We heard the word equivalent in the previous point by Mr. Napoleon Hill in point number 3. But let's go forward. Performing a better service above your agreed payment amount. Doing more than expected or anticipated. You got to do more. Everybody say more. More. More is more. More is the opposite of less. Don't go backwards. Go forward. As you go forward, you will do more. The next point is this. What exactly does extra mile look like? Mentally, physically, and financially. So guess what? Mentally, you think a little more. We call it critical thinking. You're thinking in depth about a situation, about a concept, about an idea. Guess what? You are going the extra mile. You know, physically, you're in the gym working out. You're not just walking into the gym and walking back out. You're actually working out. You are going the extra mile. And as a result, you will see the difference. You'll be stronger. And guess what? You'll look stronger too. The next thing is financial. What's going extra mile? Maybe you're thinking about saving and saving and saving. When you go the extra mile, say, you know what? Instead of me saying saving 10%, why don't you start saving 13%, 15%? You know, you'll see the difference as a result of going the extra mile financially. You'll see your bank accounts grow and grow and grow, and you get a whole lot more money. How about that? The extra miles allows you to experience the next level or the next race prematurely. So going extra mile. Have you ever seen somebody run a race and some runners stop at the finish line? But why do those other runners run through the finish line? When you learn to run through the finish line, you know what happens? You started another race. You're not just tired about the previous race, but you're looking forward to the next race. So when you go the extra mile, just as these athletes out here trying to win championships, that's right, the golf players, they're swinging their clubs, they're going the extra mile in preparation, because you don't just happen to succeed, you have prepared to succeed. Success is not an accident. Success is intentional. That's right. You just can't get to the top by looking at the ladder. You got to get to the top by ascending the ladder. That's right. It's yours truly, Corey P. Dunlap, a world-class motivational speaker, live and on location here, giving you another exciting message dealing with Mr. Napoleon Hill. 17 principles of personal achievement as it relates to success. Visit me online on eagletakeoff.com. Write me a letter at eaglecoryd@gmail.com. And as always, remember this, the eagle only lands just to take off. And I'm gone. See you next time. Take care.